The sun sets behind the horizon, and the road ahead begins to shimmer in reflection. Standing tall like a monument of motion, this futuristic motorhome blends power and poetry in a single form. Its black and white body curves in seamless harmony, sculpted with golden light tracing every edge. 6 massive wheels anchor its presence, while its mirrored glass facade reflects the evening sky. But what lies inside is not just design, it's destiny. Step through the golden doorway, and the first breath feels different. The air is soft, scented with cedar and calm light. You enter the Eclipse Haven, the master bedroom, a space suspended between technology and tranquility. The low floating bed, framed in matte black with a golden underglow, feels weightless against crisp white bedding. Curved panels conceal storage behind smooth lines, while a narrow tinted slit window glows faintly like dawn through silk. Above, fine arcs of gold light sweep across the ceiling, moving like constellations. Beside it lies the dual-tone wardrobe pod, the dressing suite where luxury hides in simplicity. Black and white finishes blend into perfection, while the vanity mirror encircles you in warm amber light. Drawers open without sound, the gold handles glint softly under the LEDs. A small side window brings a whisper of daylight, and the air itself seems to glow. Here, refinement becomes ritual. The hallway opens into the dual horizon atrium, the main lounge, 2 floors of cinematic calm. Curved white sofas arc around a black marble table with a thin gold base. The matte black floor mirrors every glimmer of light, while an amber strip traces the staircase and ceiling like liquid fire. The floating stairs lead to the upper deck, their glass balustrade catching light like crystal. Every reflection feels intentional, every corner crafted to mesmerize. Beyond the lounge, the obsidian core galley waits, part kitchen, part sculpture. Glossy white cabinetry hides its genius behind smooth panels. A slim black dining bar gleams with golden edges, flanked by 2 ivory stools. Under cabinet LEDs cast a soft glow across the marble floor as the induction top hums quietly. The scent of brewed espresso lingers. Elegance has a taste now. Upstairs, tucked against a curved wall, sits the Horizon work pod, a compact office where focus meets beauty. A sleek white desk, edged in gold light, overlooks the landscape through tinted glass. The ivory chair gleams softly under sunlight, and the matte black panel ahead turns into a digital screen with a single touch. It's not just a workspace, it's command and serenity. The golden flow pod bathroom feels like a hidden spa. Black marble contrasts white ceramic, while gold fixtures shimmer beneath soft lighting. The tub is recessed into the floor, the shower enclosed in glass, and the circular mirror glows with a halo of light. Every reflection feels deliberate, every sound softened by design. Then comes the compact motion zone, the gym, a minimalist statement of discipline. The black floor pulses with golden perimeter LEDs as the treadmill and bike stand aligned before mirrored walls. Light curves above you, tracing the rhythm of your motion. It's compact, clean, alive. Finally, the journey leads to the front, the dual command deck, the cockpit where innovation breathes. The sculpted white steering yoke rests before twin golden digital displays. The black dashboard glows subtly, while the tinted windshield filters the evening sun. Every control feels alive under your fingertips, and as the engine hums, the world beyond becomes yours to command. When this motorhome moves, it doesn't travel, it glides. Each space flows into the next like chapters of light and silence. It's not a home, not a vehicle, it's a masterpiece of motion. Comment below and let us know which part of this futuristic motorhome captured your imagination the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more of the world's most luxurious and futuristic private motorhomes.